So I believe unity is important in the industry and within our team and office specifically because we grow together. As much as this is an individual type career where I have to work on my successes, we all grow together. I've grown because of the people in my office when I first started helped me grow to that. And I have to do the same thing for them. So again, as much as there is an individual aspect of your own accountability, we are dependent on each other. And so that's where unity is really important in the industry and as a core value, because again, we grow together, we help each other move forward, and the success of the team helps create the success of the individual.
Unity for Jeff Cook Real Estate is a living reality that I see permeated through all of our offices, agents, and employees. Having this shared mission transcends our individual differences and makes us more cohesive as a team. We've learned that together we are stronger than we are being separately and apart. And we don't just come together just to work hard. The term work hard, play hard is heard a lot throughout the real estate industry, but we truly do that here. So we celebrate each other's successes, we help each other through thick and thin. We are always here to rally together and to build everyone up because we want to see all of our team be successful together.
A core value that I notice here at the office day to day is unity. I feel like everybody here really kind of gets together, and I know this sounds cliche, but it's like a family. You know, we are very into helping one another out, whether it's picking up a shift at the front desk or opening a door for a client that they can't get to. It's really important to me to have a team that can operate like that, and I feel like we do that very well here.